Hello and welcome to this special video where we share how Meet Mr. Mechanic provided free checkup and fluid top-ups for customers in various locations across Mumbai. Our aim was to make it convenient for our customers to get their cars checked without the hassle of visiting our workshops. During the event, our team provided free checkups and fluid top-ups to over 200 customers across Mumbai. In addition, our customer care team provided free support to address any issues customers might face in the future. We believe that taking care of our customers' needs is our top priority, and events like these are just one way we strive to provide them with the best possible service. We are proud to say that this event was a success, and we received positive feedback from our customers. We are grateful for the opportunity to serve our customers and to make their lives easier. We want to thank all our customers who participated in the event and trusted us with their vehicles. We are committed to serving you in the best possible way and look forward to providing you with exceptional service in the future. Thank you for watching this video. We are committed to providing exceptional service and support to our customers. Meet Mr. Mechanic. Your drive, our surety.